I'm a great DJ, but I'm a horrible business person. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks to Electra Voice and Promo Only, DJ Event Planner and Perfect Portals and Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop entertainment experience. Those are the sponsors. If you can be nice to them, I would really appreciate it. But I'm a great DJ, but a horrible business person. I have heard that a million times. How about you? How about the fact that you said it a couple of times? Huh? I've said it in the past. And I know a lot of guys say, I wish I would be better at this. My marketing tools are terrible. My business skills are terrible, but I'm a really great DJ. Well, good. I believe you. I really do. Because I live in that all the time. I'm a really great performer. I'm a horrible business person. But here's the thing. You got to stay away from using that as a reason not to get better at what you're doing. I hear that all the time when it comes to guys that say, well, I only charge a little bit of money. I know I should charge more, but I'm a great DJ, but I'm a horrible business person. I know that I should be marketing more, or I should have a better website, or I know that I should understand what my costs are and all my taxes. And yeah, no, trust me, I hate all that stuff. I don't like doing that stuff. But here's the thing, you can't continue to do what you're doing and get paid for it, and or can't continue to keep doing what you're doing and get paid in a way that you could do this for a living and not work on the business side of it. You might not be the great business person, and it might be just that you don't like doing it. I'm both, okay? I'm not great at it, and I don't like doing it. But when I have to get it done, I have to, because I have to continue to be a DJ. I don't want to go get a regular job. I really don't. I don't want somebody else paying me to do a job for them to make them more money. I'm really committed to what I do, and I'm really committed to getting compensated for what I do so that I can put all of my heart and my soul into working for clients and to do amazing things for them. Now, I can't continue to do that and be bad at the business part. Now, I can. But if you are bad and you're committed to making this a real career, then you need to find someone who can help you with the business side. You have to be good at it. You need to understand it. Good at it is relative, right? But I have people in place to help me with things like accounting. I've got coaches to be able to look at what I'm doing to make sure that I'm spending my time and energy in the most productive places. Because if I don't, I'm going to have to get another job. I'm going to have to get a regular gig to do something else so I can pay for my house, my office, my toys, my computer, my gear, all these things I got to pay for, right? And if I don't do this well enough, I don't do the business side well enough, then it doesn't matter how good of a performer I am. It just doesn't, okay? I can't do it and be my own person. Now, if you're a great performer and don't want to do the business, then what you do is you get a job with a company that's going to book you, but they're not going to give you as much money as they're going to get charged for you. And if you're okay with that, that's fine. But I'm talking to the guys that want to make a living doing this as a performance-based thing and then have their own thing, right? You want to have your own. Everything is yours, right? All the money that comes to you is yours. Now, the people who don't understand the business or don't take the time to figure out the business, they take all the money they get for that gig and they spend all of it on the stuff they want to. They call that a salary. That's not right. You can't do that and make this a sustainable thing. That's why you work for somebody else who pays all the bills, right? He pays the bills. He pays for the gear. He pays for the marketing and the sales and the accounting and all the stuff you hate doing. And then he gives you the little bit of percentage he can pay you. You have to do the same thing for yourself. And for you to understand that, you need to figure it out. Now, take a business class if you have to, or a business class, or find someone who can coach you through it, or take on an accountant that's a full-time accountant, which you probably don't need if you're a single op, but someone who can sit down with you weekly or monthly, at the very least every year, to sit down and say, these are the things that you're lacking on. These are where your profits are falling away. These are your expenses. And this is how much more money you could be making if you did things a different way. That's worth more money than all of the gear and all of the cool things that you bring to an event. Trust me, without it, you will now be doing this as a hobby on your off time and then doing something else that you don't like as much for your job that pays your bills. please get better at the business side of it. Okay, you got any comments on this? You disagree with me? You think I'm full of it? There's plenty of people who do, and they're not quiet when they put their comments down. So go ahead and put your comments down. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.